In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI in Canva. This is an amazing tool that can help elevate your design projects by effortlessly generating images using artificial intelligence. So let's dive right into it and explore how you can leverage this feature to bring your creative visions to life. First, fire up Canva on your preferred device. Once you're in the Canva editor, you need to locate the AI image generator. You're going to want to look for a button labeled AI Image Gen, which is typically situated on the left panel of your workspace. This feature is designed to streamline the process of creating bespoke visuals, eliminating the fuss of starting from scratch. However, if you're unable to immediately spot the AI Image Gen option, don't worry, just head over to the Apps section, which you will find on the same left-hand panel. By clicking on Apps, you can access a variety of functionalities that Canva offers, each tailored to enhance your design process. In the search bar at the top, simply type in AI image, and this should bring up the AI image generator tool directly. This is a neat trick to quickly locate the tool you need, especially as more features are constantly being added to Canva. Now that you have the tool ready, it's time to get creative. Think about the image you want to generate. Imagine its details in your mind. It could be anything from an abstract concept to a more tangible scene. Once you have a clear image in your mind's eye, use the description field to articulate the visual you're aiming for. Be as detailed as you can, describe the colors, the mood, and any specific elements you'd love to see in the image. This helps the AI understand your vision and produce a result that's much closer to what you want. After you've thoroughly described your desired image, the next step is to click on Create. This is the exciting part where AI works its magic. As it processes your description, you'll witness technology transforming your words into a visual reality. Give it a few moments. Sometimes great art takes a little time, but the wait is always worth it. And voila, your AI generated image will appear on the canvas, ready for you to refine or incorporate into your design. That's all there is to it. This tool not only saves time, but also inspires creativity, providing a fresh, innovative way to approach design. By using AI in Canva, you can enhance your projects with unique and customized images that reflect your personal style. Make sure to experiment and explore the possibilities. The creative potential is limitless with AI by your side. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.